Binance US now has zero trading fees on the Bitcoin pairs. What? That's right, you heard it right. This is game changing for the US markets. Coinbase is indeed gonna feel the heat, and I will explain everything in this video. So to recap, now Binance US has zero trading fees. It's not for every single pair. These are the pairs that will be affected. So Bitcoin USD, the fiat pair, that's a first. Bitcoin Tether as well, Bitcoin BUSD, and finally Bitcoin USDC. You can now trade all these trading pairs for free. This is for every single user. It's not just the high-end users, for everyone. Now keep in mind, this is just for Binance US. The normal Binance platform still has normal trading fees, all right? But for the US market, this is really important news. And why do I say that? Coinbase just fell 10%, more than 10% in a single day because of this news. Coinbase is a very badly managed company. As you can see, Coinbase reported a loss of $2 per share in the first quarter of this year. How you can lose so much money? There's so many people who got into crypto last year. How are they having losses? Coinbase IPO started at $342. It's now trading below $52. So that's a crash of 84% in a little over a year during the time that Bitcoin has exploded. So this leaves me concerned about the financial health of this exchange. And actually, I just remembered that I have some Bitcoin dust on Coinbase and I will transfer everything to Binance. I will make a tutorial about that. I actually already have a tutorial, but I want to make a new one for 2022. But if you want to withdraw your crypto from Coinbase, now it's probably a good time before they actually go bankrupt. I don't think they're going to go bankrupt this year, but I think it's going to happen this decade. So I do believe it's a good idea to get out of Coinbase as soon as you can. And one thing I have a really hard time understanding is how can Coinbase lose money when they charge outrageous fees that can go as high as 0.6%. You buy and sell, you already lost more than 1%. This is absolutely insane trading fees, and they can still lose money. I really don't get it. Now let's compare with the Binance trading fees. This is Binance, and the trading fees are 6 times cheaper at least. If you pay with BNB, you get an additional 25%. If you use the Binance referral code in the pinned comment, this is the best Binance referral code, it will give you an additional 20% fee discount for life. So your actual trading fees will be 0.055%, which is 10 times lower than on Coinbase. It's absurd why people still use Coinbase. I don't get it. And I mention this every other video because I just don't understand. Anyway, in other news, China warns Bitcoin is heading to zero, but Bank of England looks on the bright side. So that's something very curious. I don't think we should pay attention to what the central banks say, but it's interesting that they're making statements about Bitcoin. So they are starting to acknowledge that Bitcoin is actually a very important asset class. On the negative side or the positive side, they're talking about Bitcoin. And this is pretty mind-blowing. The Russian central bank said that Bitcoin payments for international settlements is possible. I believe will be the future of payments because Russia can bypass sanctions using Bitcoin and using crypto in general. So I believe we will see more of this, and Bitcoin is not going anywhere. Now, that doesn't mean the price of Bitcoin will go up. I don't think it's going up right now. I think it will go down further. This is the weekly chart. And as you can see, Bitcoin is still hanging below the 200 weekly MMA. And this is a bad sign. If Bitcoin cannot recover this week above 22,000, I think Bitcoin will go much lower. And here in yellow are my expected targets that I think Bitcoin is going to go just because of the chart. So around 12,000 and around 5,000 in the worst case scenario. Anyway, this is the time to get out of Coinbase and go to Binance. If you are in the US, go to Binance US. Unfortunately, my referral code is only for the normal Binance exchange, but I'm sure you will find somewhere on YouTube. And if you are not from the US, then make sure to use the best Binance referral code in the pinned comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.